Okay, so today we're going to have a little go at creating an Apple logo in Google Slides. So it's a good little introduction to get you used to overlaying images within the package. It's quite useful, quite powerful at times to create really simple logos on desktop publishing. So starting off with the top bar here, you've got a shape tool. I'm going to go in and select circle shape. Now, in order to draw an oval, I can click and drag down. If I wanted to have a perfect circle, I'd need to make sure that I'm pressing the Shift key. So I'm going to draw an oval approximately that size. At this stage now, I'm going to set the outline color to be transparent because I don't want it visible. And I'm going to select the fill color. We'll go with a dark gray. Okay, so once I've created the first oval, I can quickly make a copy of it, Control-C, Control-V. And then as I move it, if you notice these red lines, these will allow me to center a line along with the image that I've done previously. Right, that was just grabbing onto the wrong one. So there you go. That's now in line with the ellipse that I've drawn on the left-hand side. There's my second one. Now, in order to do the anch or the bite out of the apple, I can go to Shapes tool again, select the circle. This time select the color to be white. So if I draw it first, and then I can resize it by holding down the Shift key. Now the Shift key constrains the proportions of the image. So instead of it being tall and skinny or short and plump, as I like to say, I've now got a perfect circle. Again, set the outline color to transparent, and then move into place to wherever I'm happy with. Now it's not quite a perfect white. It looks like I've got an off gray. So if I just go back in, change the color, there's my perfect white, so it blends into the background. In order to do this little leaf at the top, just find a suitable shape. So if I go with this kind of lunar shape, draw it, put it in place, and then change the color to something suitable. So I'm going to go for, there you go, dark green 1, and again, set the outline color to transparent. So very quickly, I've created an Apple logo. Now to add the text, what I would not do is use the text box. When I do a text box and draw a text box like this, it only allows me to type inside and then change the font size. That's the only way of changing the size of the font. So the better way when you're dealing with graphics is to go Insert, Word Art, then Apple, click. I can now change the font to something suitable. So I've got a range of different fonts. So I'll go for this wacky one. Change the outline color because I'm not a big fan of outline colors, and then pick a suitable color to go down the bottom, and there it is. I've created Apple. Now what Word Art allows you to do is overlay the text quite easily and scale it down. So similarly, rather than making it tall and skinny and short and plump, like so, I'm going to Control-Z to take a step back, and I'm going to do a Control-C and a Control-V to copy it. I'm going to change the color to my secondary color, my gray, one darker gray. And I'm going to decide, right, I'm going to call that Cafe. So now I've got Apple, Cafe, and I've created a really simple, quick Apple logo. So have a go at that at home and see what other perhaps fruits that you can draw simply using Google Slides. See you next time.